Hi, welcome for your next art. That's so impressive. We're going to see something crazy today. Can you guess who? Hmm? Yeah, you happy, right? I am very happy and very excited. Now we're going to see Pablo Picasso, and he is an artist kinda crazy. Can you see? Wow, look at this nose. Crazy, right? What about this portrait right here? Doesn't look like a real person, doesn't it? Wow, this here is this donkey and this girl, and they look kinda crazy. Let's do it together, you and me. Take your pieces of paper and we're going to start right now. So, what you have to do is cut in the shape that you want to be your portrait. Like this one, I did a very big nose and this small mouth. Look, it's blue. And then I cut a mouth that is blue. Very nice lips. And here I have a mustache or an eye. And here I have another head. You can cut in the shape that you want, like this one I made a blue eye. Here we're going to start to do like a puzzle. We can put one paper over the other. The mouth can be over this face and this nose. I can put the mustache here. Look, it's a man. Ho, 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 ho. He's going to have a very nice mustache. Look, and a blue eye. Just one. I like to make it fun. I put those eyelashes in this hair so it looks kind of more crazy even. And I put some glue to paste it all together in my Picasso puzzle. Wow, I like it so much I will put my name here because this is a piece of art. Wow,